Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Binance. Binance is one of the largest, most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and in this video I'll be showing you 10 ways to make money or increase your income using Binance. So first thing to do is head into the website binance.com and then creating your account. And the first way is buying and holding. One of the simplest way to make money on Binance is by buying and holding cryptocurrencies that you believe will increase its value over time. The second way is trading. You can also make money by trading cryptocurrencies on Binance. This involves buying low and selling high, or buying high and selling higher. You can also use technical analysis and other trading strategies to help increase in your profits. The third way is Staking. Stacking. Binance offers stacking services for several cryptocurrencies, which allows you to earn rewards for holding and supporting the network. This is passive way to earn money on Binance. So after creating the account, and it's hard to create the account because you have to verify your account by using IDs and others, then you have to secure your account by linking it to mobile. So they have lots of steps because you are dealing with real money, and it has a friendly user interface after the creation of the account. Here we have the announcement and notifications. We have the account, and here we have the cryptocurrencies rates and prices. So the fourth way is lending. Binance also offer lending services when you can lend your cryptocurrencies to other users and earn invests on them. The fifth way is mining. Some cryptocurrencies can be mined using your computer processing power, and Binance offers mining services for certain coins. The sixth way is participating in initial coin offering (ECOs). Binance officially offers ECOs for new cryptocurrencies, which can be lucrative way to invest in new projects and potentially earn profits. So here we have all the new old cryptocurrencies, and here we have the security of your account and passkeys and biometric pass, and others will be talking on this on another video. Here we'll have the identifications, passport or something, national card, and mine is rejected. I don't know why. Here we have the payment method, the most important thing. So the seventh way is participating in airdrops. Airdrops are giveaway of free cryptocurrencies, and Binance occasionally offers airdrops for certain coins. The eighth way is referring friends. Binance has a referral program where you can earn commission for referring new users to the platform. So here the payments, you can buy crypto from here, or P2P payments, and can select what cryptocurrency you wanted to buy and deposit money, then exchange your dollars or your country's money to Bitcoin or FTX or any money. So the ninth way is Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a platform for new cryptocurrencies projects to launch their tokens. If you invest in successful projects, you can potentially make a significant profit. The last way is arbitrage. Finally, you can also make money on Binance through arbitrage, which involves buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange where it's cheaper and selling it on Binance where it's more expensive. And that's it. I'll show you the referral. The referral way was the step number 8. Was way number 8 of making money. Like I said, if you invite friends, you can earn a commission on their buys and deposits. Here we have the referral program. How to receive the 100 USDT cashback voucher reward when your friend register and community deposit more than $50. You will receive your 100 USDT. So here we have the light referral ID and the light referral link. Step 1, share your referral link. Step 2, invite friends, sign up and deposit more than $50. Step 3 is receive your money. And those here we will see your rewards, and here will be a list of all the money you get. So here we have the market, the trades, the derivative, the earn, the finance, the NFT, inspiration, or here more application of Binance, exchange, academy, learn and earn, and other ways to make real money. Here we have your profile, dashboard, security, identification, and all the listing that was here is now on your profile account, logo, and overall Binance offers a variety of ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency investing is very risky, and you should always do your own research and invest responsibly. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.